Blessed Tuesday everyone! It's June 18, 2024 and it is indeed a beautiful Tuesday morning. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na dumating doon sa buhay natin at mga kasama nito mga pagsubok and trials which makes our life wonderful, challenging, and exciting. At siyempre doon sa mga taong tumulong sa atin sa mga pagsubok natin at sa mga taong nakikimarites lang din doon sa buhay natin, pasalamatan natin sila. Shout out kay Glenda, kay Glens, kay Pucci, kay Margie Crane, kay Cecil Bores, kay Mama Lu, Luis and Susan, Arthur Sevilla and family, Joseph and May Pilingon, Melido Acosta, G.F. Pangilinan, Alvin Valientos, Boss Banoy, Boss Baging of Gitagum Isamis Oriental, Jima David, Ine Araso, Elizabeth Guevara, Aide Villamero, Richel Pastoleros, kay Len, kay Samjan, kay Eds My Love, kay C.J. Alvindras, Albert Ramirez, Marvin De Marcian, Walter Exolo Tanyari, kay Biboy at kay Fernando Dandoy na Pagadian City. Ripples of the day natin po is learn to be thankful and kind for every moment of your life. For everything we have now are all but just borrowed glimpses of a flickering eternity. So keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed Tuesday, everyone.